In this video, I'll show you how to fold a paper snake from paper strips. For this, you will need paper strips that are all the same width, a glue stick and scissors. First, place two paper strips at the right angle to each other. You need to glue these two strips together. Use a glue stick to apply glue to the bottom strip. Then glue the other strip exactly on top of the bottom strip. Now begin folding. Fold the bottom strip precisely over the top strip. Now the other strip is on the bottom. Fold this one exactly over the top. Make a clean fold by creasing it with the side of your thumbnail. Continue alternating like this. When the strips become short, glue new strips to the old ones. Apply a dot of glue to the bottom strip and attach the new strip. Make sure to glue the new strip as straight as possible onto the old strip. Keep adding strips to your paper snake until it is long enough. Finally, glue the two strips together one last time and cut off any excess paper strips.